You're very famous.
Good afternoon, dear colleagues. We are about to start the meeting, and before the meeting, as usual, we will have the photo session. I would like to. Dear colleagues, and the delegation members in Myanmar. It is the first EAS with all of you to have an enjoyable and pleasant stay in Yangon. And allow me thank for the leadership role and successfully chairing the EAS song meeting under the Brunei Darussalam's chairmanship last year. I would also like to welcome our new friends from India, Japan, and New Zealand who have joined us, our guiding principles for the further enhancing and promoting the EAS cooperation in the region. I also wish to thank the participants to develop the ASEAN Community's post-2015 vision. Dear colleagues, the region on East Asia Summit states that the modality of the EAS as the year 2015 is an inaugural brainstorming session in New York on the 31st of March 2014 on the sideline of the Joint Preparatory Meeting. We had a fruitful and productive discussion on the review of the EAS. We are of the view that EAS review process should be undertaken by the Track 1 level, and the review process by ASEAN should be completed. Allow me to briefly touch upon the progress of EAS review and the EAS framework. We are very much encouraged that the mission with a view of finalizing it before the EAS Foreign Ministers meeting in August. Also by Russia, China, and Brunei Darussalam to craft a framework of principles on strengthening security cooperation in the Asia and Pacific